So to start off with our oven roasted potatoes, I have some potatoes that I washed properly and I did not peel them. I cubed them up into about a 1 inch or so, and I have them soaking here for a couple of hours now. Soaking them actually helps to break down any extra starch in the potatoes, which will help make them crispier while cooking and you get a fluffier inside. And these are the seasoning and the spices that we're going to be using for our potatoes. So I have some paprika, I have thyme, parsley, some MSG for all-purpose seasoning, ground chili, basil, and of course some garlic powder. And I'm also going to be adding some olive oil. So I drained my potatoes, try to dry them a bit. Now I'm going to be adding some olive oil. Next I'm adding my all-purpose seasoning, my garlic powder, ground chili. It is optional. If you don't like spice, you can eliminate this. A little bit of paprika. And I'm going to be adding my herbs. Now if you have fresh herbs, you can go ahead and use them, but these were great as well. Now all you're going to do is just simply mix it all up. Don't they look wonderful without even baking them as yet? Now the next step would be to transfer it to a greased baking tray. We're not going to cover it, we're going to place it in the oven at 425 degrees until it's nice and golden brown and crisp on the outside. So we're going to put this into the oven and let it bake. Okay, so it's 40 minutes later and this is what our potatoes look like. Now it's baking at 425 degrees, 40 minutes, uncovered, and there we have some yummy looking roasted potatoes. So you can eat roasted potatoes with just about anything, but for me today what I decided to make was some chicken and some veggies. I just did this in the pan, and I made some garlic sauce to go along with the potatoes and some hummus as well. So this is what we're going to be eating for dinner: roasted potatoes, chicken with the homemade hummus and the garlic sauce. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with all your friends and your family. Hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button, and you can tune in to my website to get all my recipes, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. See you guys in the next video. This is what the plate looks like, guys. So my roasted potatoes, my garlic sauce, chicken and veg, and my hummus.